It is the kind gesture that today we are tied up and collaborating with such a prestigious organization here.
This is not just a pitch competition.
I think this is the best utilization of my time all week. The 2 hours that I've spent here, I've learned so much about the community here in Dehradun, about the different things that people are doing.
किसका pitch बढ़िया था? जोर से. Come on. Which one? Close though. But the winner is. So this is finally Ficky Flow and UFC Doon coming together as a collab to work together for the entrepreneurs of the state of Uttarakhand. ये एक event, एक collaboration is like a dream come true. एक साल पहले 4 लोगों से आज हम Ficky जैसे organization के साथ जुड़ रखे हैं. It's an honor and I'm so happy today that हमने इतना positive response मिला है हमें सबकी तरफ से. I'm super excited, super hyped up and just pepping myself with more energy. This is mine.
This is mine.
Very, very good evening. Thank you very much for being here. We are very fortunate today that we are collaborating with such an esteemed organization, which is Ficky Flow. So, for everyone, for showing up, for supporting this initiative, I would like a round of applause for you all because you guys have actually shown up. Thank you very much. So guys, a round of applause for our first guest, Vipul Dawar ji. I would like to welcome Dr. Geeta Khanna ji, Chairperson Ficky Flow. Let's have a round of applause for her. Thoda loud, thoda sa please. It is the kind gesture that today we are tied up and collaborating with such a prestigious organization here. Make sure you have a good time, have a lot of smiles on your face, make new friends, alright?
As chairperson of Flow, I welcome you all to this gathering and to this event. And what Kshitij says, have lots of fun. But I want my members to go back with lots of learning. We are very, very proud and we are very happy that one of our members' son is doing such a good job and promoting startups, mentoring them, and of course accelerating them, upskilling them. Thank you, Kshitij, and thank you, Anuradha, once again. And of course, I'm so sorry because he's my brother. I took him lightly. So I welcome Mr. Vipul Dawar.
On this special occasion, as we bring together two powerful forces, Ficky Flow Uttarakhand and the dynamic UNU Founders Community of Dehradun under one roof. This is not just a pitch competition. It's a platform to showcase brilliance, connect minds, and inspire action.
I think you guys received a worksheet. Have you? Can I see it once? How many of you don't have pens? A show of hand, please. Ball pen, kya pen nahi laye? Very bad. Very bad. There are 10 questions in front of you. We would want to know how many of you are absolutely clear about your business and its vision and how big do you want to make it. Alright, let's have a round of applause, guys. Neha Joshi ji is here. And finally, why did I ask you to sit like this is... And finally, do you wish to present your brand in front of judges and everyone? So please don't be shy. This is a non-judgmental ground. It will be awesome. So let's utilize that platform. Okay, so which had the best pitch? Let's have a round of applause for Dharmendra. So it is lovely. So that's Atika. Alright, round of applause for her. Kunal.
Dr.
Kunal,
Rustam.
please stand up. Let's have a round of applause for Yashasvi here. Avinash ji from this group, Badmash Kababi. Let's have a round of applause for Rishika as well. Lovely.
Let number 3 come first.
Number
Let
3.
number 3 come first.
Let's first of all have a round of applause for Dr. Deepak Murali ji. He is the Joint Director of Industries and also I think he's leading the startup Uttarakhand. If you guys have any help that you need to grow your startup in Uttarakhand, there's the person for you.
We only don't have the hospitality expertise, we also have a psychological eye for this.
What is lacking with you compared to other managerial such bodies?
The biggest problem with the car cleaning market is wastage of water. We provide our eco-friendly car cleaning services which only provides a single bottle of water to wash your whole car.
So how do you think you will compete with those bigger brands who are rightly placed and have that first movers advantage?
We predominantly focus on families who have an inclination for Awadhi food, Lucknowi food.
You said when the customer walks in from the face, you can make out.
No, from the face as in when they are regular, no. So you know that the taste and preference of the customer. And one of the customer is out here. The moment he's walking, I know that he's going to order a shikari tangri and a mutton boti kebab. So I know that.
Because Nourish has a very nimble design process, we can launch a collection within 45 days.
You have a room right now where there are a lot of Fiki Flow members. There are a lot of women entrepreneurs here, even from UFC. If you have to pitch to them that why should they buy from you, what would your pitch be?
I know we all love wearing gold, but half the time we've put gold in the locker. So why not invest in jewelry that loves you back? Invest in jewelry that will give you back. Invest in jewelry, invest in Nourish.
किसका पिच बढ़िया था? बना नहीं आ रहा, क्या हो गया? जोर से. Come on, which one? Igniters.
क्या बात है सर?
Igniters?
So I will invite Geeta ji to please felicitate our eminent guest Neha Joshi ji. So now for the rock star of the evening, please Kshitij.
Every single month we have an activity. Jisme there are 3 industries. The people of that industry will come together and we do an activity together. So the first activity we did was how to get the first 100 customers for a healthy food-based subscription service company. Then the second time we did how to get the first 100 customers for an Ayurvedic skincare brand. Last time we changed the game. We made a case study that you guys have to come together and tell us certain AI apps which you can use and it can help you automate your business. We have a unique scoring system. We nominate and through that we have a startup team of the month. ये circulate होता है हर महीने. So last time जो थे वो थे gifting and the trophy went to healthcare and tech. Please आ जाइए and all the people in healthcare and tech would love to transfer this trophy to them. Let's have each one of them. एक तो हम छोटा सा एक medal देना चाह रहे हैं to each one of the people who got elected and then we'll reveal the winners. Please, I would request you all to come here. कौन लगता है कौन जीता होगा?
Rishika, I know you all look amazing.
Rishika.
You all look fabulous.
Rishika के पास लेकिन public support है ऐसा लग रहा है.
I do have discounts right now.
We have a deal.
We have a deal.
Discounts on the table.
सपने देखना.
Yes, Rishika, you were close though. But the winner is Avinash ji from Padmashi Mami. Fantastic pitch.
All the pitches were great. Public speaking takes a lot. It takes reading the room, it takes understanding different subjects. You're talking about different things all the time. So for somebody who's not done that, and not all founders are TEDx speakers, you know. So you're not expected to be fantastic orators also. So everybody who walked up to the podium and put forward their pitches, kudos to you guys, you did a fantastic job. Because I feel this is a learning event. We're all in an environment where we're very open to learning and we're learning from each other. For a person like me, this is not the kind of an event that I attend on an everyday basis, but it's been fantastic. I think this is the best utilization of my time all week. You know, the 2 hours that I've spent here, I've learned so much about the community here in Dehradun, about the different things that people are doing. And I think what stood out to me for your pitch particularly, and I think the other judges would also agree with this, that there was clarity of thought. If you notice, he didn't use a lot of buzzwords. He didn't get into jargon. He didn't get into what a business pitch is supposed to sound like. He got into what he understands best, and that's food. And I think that's what it's really about. Congratulations. Thank you.
On a lighter note, I think the judges are very biased here. We all are. We all were hungry, so we chose the foods.
Hi everyone, I'm the Senior Vice Chair Flow Uttarakhand 2025-26 and I'm here to propose the vote of thanks today for this altogether a different kind of event which we witnessed today actually. I would like to thank our eminent panelists Neha Joshi ji, Deepak Murari ji, Vipul Dawar sir, Kshitij. I would like to thank our past chairs, Komal Batra, Dr. Neha Sharma, Geeta ji, and our day chair Anuradha Doval. Well, I think she's busy again. Yeah, there she is. For curating this event. I would like to extend my gratitude to our gifting partners, Manish Suri ji, Gurkiran Pathak. Last but not the least, I would extend my gratitude to the team behind the camera for capturing all the memorable moments, to each and everyone present here. Thank you so much.
Wait! There's more!
One last person I think we kind of missed out here. We give her very little credit. Gauri. Aaiye please. Please round of applause. Ye pura iska hai. This is her second month. Gauri, you have done a fantastic job. She's learned things very quick. And if you would remember, like even in the group, you would hardly see my messages. Completely done by her. So round of applause for her.
क्या कर रही हो? मुझे शर्म आ रही है.
Tremendous amount of work. And of course, Saransh, our hero.
मेरे सचो यहाँ एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले.
Behind the camera. आओ इधर आओ जरा. Yeah, this person. He is just too good and he is the hating face. But आपने अगर हमारा कभी vlogs वगैरह देखा है तो he covers it. It's amazing. Thank you संजय. Dogal Diaries पूरा इन्होंने बना रखा है. And अब मैं आप लोगों का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूँगा. चलते हैं डिनर की ओर.
हमारा एक्सपीरियंस लेना चाह रहे.
कैसा लगा आपको इवेंट?
ये राज भी उसी के साथ चला गया.
Real brother?
Yes.
Very nice. खाना खाया?
खाना खा रहा था. इसकी प्लेट उठा के ले गए. ये वो मनहूस इंसान है जिसने पे नहीं करा था, मैंने पे करा था इसके बदले का. इसका टिकट मैंने खरीदा है.
You had to. क्यों? It was your responsibility.
क्या जोक मारा भाई.
मेरे दुश्मन समझ रहे थे मैं अब कभी लौट के ना आऊंगा.
देखो इनका अभी नया रीब्रांडिंग हो रही है इनकी.
हाँ पता है मुझे. जूसी वर्ड्स.
तो फिर थोड़ा
होली खेल लेंगे हम लोग अगले उसमें. कि सब कुछ कलरफुल बना दिया.
पुरानी बातें मत करो. पुरानी बातें मत करो.
मेरा फोन स्विच ऑफ हो गया. मेरा फोन स्विच ऑफ.
अब बनेगा स्वीट.
आप लेना.
अब बनेगा रायता इनका.
क्या
याद आ जाएगी.
मैं यहाँ स्विच ऑफ हो गया फोन.
लेना जानबूझ के बन के इन्होंने बोला कि मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
मुझे सिर्फ सिंपल शब्द कहे गए हैं. घर मत आना, वहीं रहो, मजे करो.
अब आप घर जाओ तब आपको याद आएगी लखनऊ. माइन वाले होस्ट है में भी लगे हुए हैं कुछ ना कुछ बीच बीच में बूंदी ये वो करके बीच बीच में लगे हुए हैं. फिर हमने ना अनाउंस किया क्या कहते हैं. सो द सेकंड यूटीटी मेंबर टू बी द लाउडेस्ट मेंबर ऑफ दिस कम्युनिटी. एकदम ना इनका एकदम टोन चेंज हो जाता है फिर उसके बाद. यस यस यस.
हाँ हमें भी चलना चाहिए.
सर बहुत शरीफ सा लगता है. कॉल मी डॉन.
Thank you, once again. Thank you so much. Thank you.